The Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Meghalaya, in collaboration with District Early Intervention Centre (RBSK) and Ganesh Government Hospital, Shillong, today organised awareness on Down syndrome at Deic building, Ganesh Government Mother and Child Hospital, Shillong. Speaking to the media after the program, Dr. H. Giri, member of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Meghalaya, said that the Indian Academy of Pediatrics have arranged a special program for the children with Down syndrome, and they have launched a new program for 2024-25 so that they can disseminate authentic and reliable information to society. She also said some of the diseases like Down syndrome, anemia, autism and others are diseases that can be detected right from early childhood, and given support, they can live a good life.
Has launched a very big program that is one of the action plan of our president of 2024 and 2025. They have launched this program of IAP की बात community के साथ, okay, so that we can spread the message to all the community, so that we can give very authentic, relevant and reliable information to the community at large on diseases like especially Down syndrome, thalassemia, autism, anemia and obesity, because these are the diseases which can, if we detect right from birth or right from the beginning, we can give them lots of support and they can live a very good life.